$2 al día.
Wait, here we're gonna say, display show spender. Hello, Andreina. How are you today?
Hey, thank you for inviting me, Chrissy. I am good.
Yes, thank you. And listen, we just did an interview in Spanish. It was wonderful. You
Thank
didn't
you.
want to do it in English because you're a little shy about your English, but your English is just as good as my Spanish. You understand everything. So we're going to speak English because there are a lot of Americans who want to learn Spanish. They can do exchange with you and, get to know you. Maybe also they have friends that are in the Hispanic community that they can refer. And you have a lot of messages that you have for your Hispanic community that I also want to pass to the Americans. Same necessity. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell your story. You were Venezuelan and you came to the United States 3 years ago. And you were working in insurance, all kinds of insurance, life, auto, health, every kind of insurance for an agency that was across from your university. And you loved working with life insurance. You love protecting families, right? And you talk about creating an estate where there isn't one. And you came to the United States with your husband in Venezuela was the guy that does the adjustment that checks to see when someone has an accident, how much insurance they should get. And now he has his own business. He's a mechanic, and you have a 7-year-old daughter. And when you first came here, you were working at a different company in the insurance sector. You joined Experior with us. I'm so happy in November, right?
De
And
November.
you have a growing team and you're helping a lot of people, right?
Right.
So first of all, I want you to talk to me about why do you love life insurance?
I very happy to be here today. For me, it's very important make the conscience in the community, all
Yep.
community, about the health and life insurance because all family need protection. It's hard be families don't have in life insurance and be sick and don't have lost your job.
So
It's very,
you don't just talk about final expenses because a lot of times Hispanic families, American families, they don't have any life insurance. So they do a GoFundMe to pay for their funeral or their cremation, their burial. A lot of Brazilians, a lot of Latinos, they want to be buried entero instead of cremation, and they have to go back to Venezuela, and it costs like $20,000 or $30,000, and they don't even have that. But you have two ways of thinking about life insurance. One is final expenses,
yes,
but the other one is what you were talking about, income protection,
income protection.
mortgage protection, because you said that a lot of men do the work and the women stay home.
Mhm.
But when the man dies, what happens?
Yes, it's very important protect the income. I am mother too. I stay at home with my daughter all time. My daughter go to the school a year round, have many months in vacation. I think I need working at home for stay with my daughter. But I all time say, what happens if my husband die? It's a good question. 1 month in your home only with the kids, don't working, don't have money, don't have income. What happens? See your husband die. It's very important protect the income, the family. Final expenses is very important too because the company pay final expenses in 24 hours. It's very faster,
Yep.
short time for receive
Yep.
money, pay all los gastos,
Yep.
the
The expense.
expense for final expenses y también las deudas.
So, you're making me think differently. So you're saying when you work with a family, you have two policies because I always like put them together, but you say, okay, here's your final expense policy, and here's the policy with income protection, mortgage protection, and also you were talking in the other interview in Spanish about the living benefits. Talk to me about that. What is that?
The living benefits for me is the more important, the principal, because
What is living benefits? How does it work?
the problem no is that the people die. The problem is the people will be sick and can working.
Yep. So
Living
you
benefits
can get money
pay
out of your
for
policy if you're sick and can't work.
the living benefits pay in life when the people be sick for critical
Yep.
illness, chronic illness, and another
Criminal.
medical problem qualified.
Yep.
Depend the company, the insurance the policy subscribe. But many company offers different services and
Yep.
benefits. It's
Yep.
important asking about that and
Yep.
get the information
So you're
so
saying
protect your family.
different companies have different living benefits, so it's important to see what the coverage is. Because yeah, there's companies we work with where, for example, if you have $1 million policy, it could be temporary, it can be permanent, doesn't matter. And you get a terminal, critical, or chronic illness, you can take sometimes up to $800,000 tax-free with no questions asked about how you're going to use it, what you're going to do with the money. So that's what you're talking about, right?
Right. But usually the people have different health problems, no chronic and critical illness. The people can be a heart attack is covered for the company. I love work with National Life
Me
Group
too. That's the best.
because have many benefits and live for me is the best company. I offer that for the community, Hispanic community,
Me too. I
because
love
a
that.
lot of community Hispanics, men Hispanics working hard for many hours a day and use your strong muscle, and sometimes these people se lesionan.
Yeah. They get excited. They
Ah,
sí,
tienen ajá, sufren lesiones en el trabajo.
oh, okay. Yeah. They get injured in the workplace.
Injured in the workplace and never can work again.
Yep.
This man is alive, but didn't can work in
Alive but can't work.
never more.
Money. So that's what you're saying is that living benefits are important because dying is one thing, but being alive and also having all those expenses, plus you can't make money. So you're talking about National Life Group. We have more than 50 companies we work with. But what another thing I love about National Life Group and other companies like that, they work with people that have ITIN numbers, that don't have green cards or have citizenship. They understand that there are many families here working hard, paying taxes, living here, building families, and they're in the process of getting their citizenship or their green card. They also can have these living benefits and these policies, correct?
It's correct. It's correct. It's many people only have a item number, don't having like a health insurance because don't qualify for
Yep.
take one health insurance. It's important protect your income and take another product, accident insurance and life insurance que protects your income. It's very
Okay,
important.
so the last thing I wanted to talk to you about before we end this wonderful interview, thank you. Your English is fantastic.
I try.
So people who are here with work permission, who might say to you, I can't afford, well, first two questions. If someone says, I can't afford life insurance, I don't have money, what do you say to them?
I say the first question is how many you think the cost the life insurance?
Yep.
So sometimes usually you only need $2 for pay
You
your
mean
life
$2
insurance
a day, right?
a day, $2
Yes,
a
okay.
day
It's like
for
one
pay
coffee. So
one
you're saying no excuse, everyone can afford
no,
some life insurance.
no excuse. I see the line in Chick-fil-A, in McDonald's, in Dollar Tree, in many places, the people drinking, eating, buy whatever. This
Yeah,
money you can use for buy your life insurance, is the best
that's
important.
wonderful. So last question. If somebody still is not making enough money, do you have an opportunity for people that have work permission, green card, or citizenship to work with you?
Yes, of course. I am happy to receive all people that wanna make career in insurance.
Yep.
Uh, all I can trainer
Train
and
them. So
acompañarlos.
do they have to have some special experience or some special background, or can anyone join you? Anyone,
Anyone, anyone.
anyone. You'll train anyone, even with no
Yes.
experience.
No experience, no experience.
Okay. And do they have to work full time? Do they have to go somewhere? Can they work 100% from home? How is that?
You can say in your you can work part-time, you can work at home. It's good for a lot months staying at home with your little kids. It's
Yeah.
fantastic because you can enjoy your family, enjoy your kids, and make money too.
Final question. You worked before when you first came here at a different IMO, which is Independent Market Organization in the life insurance industry. In November, you came over to Experior Financial Group. Why did you choose Experior? What do you love about Experior?
Experior for me is the best company now in the industry because have the three more important formation the worst insurance in the USA. You can be free agents. You can work with many principal insurance companies and offers a lot products for your client. I say the client say like fingers, all say different. All and cada cliente need one product, different products. And
Yep.
Experior has many products for
So you're
your
saying Experior has the wide variety and also you have the freedom, you have your own business. Experior does not tell you when to work or how to work or how many clients you have, or if you have to, you make all your own decisions, correct?
correct.
Okay. So listen, the final thing, what would you like to say? Who are you talking to right now? Who would you like to get in touch with you?
You can repeat, please.
Yes. Who are you, in your final comment, to who would you like to leave your final ultima palabra? Who out there are you attracting? Who should call you? Who should contact you? ¿Quién debe hablar, llamarte ahorita? ¿Quién debe entrar en contacto contigo?
All people who want to protect your family make one career in the Experior Group, financial group. Uh, I invite all community for protect your family. May one take money. See you day your family have money and don't cry anything any money.
And Andreina, I want everyone to know you did not prepare for this interview today.
No,
I called you this morning and I said, Andreina, noon. And you said, what are we talking about? I said, just get on here. So
it's
you've been a wonderful, wonderful.
it's
Yeah,
a big challenge for me because I speak a little bit English only. I
you're
try to
doing,
practice all time. I take
yeah,
private
yeah.
class. I have many American friends, I'm talking, they learning Spanish, I learning English.
All
y-
right. So Americans who want to improve their Spanish could also come work with you.
Yes, of course. Can
All
come
right.
and talking with me.
Thank you. I look forward to working together with you to help more people, and I'm very excited to have you as my business partner. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
And I'll
much.
talk to you
Bye-bye.
soon. Bye-bye.